In this video, I'm sharing with you 3 English grammar mistakes and how to fix them. The first mistake is, I have been born. So when you talk about your own birth, you need to use the past simple. So for example, I was born in Madrid. I was born in 1995. I was born in France. We can't use the present perfect here. It's because we're talking about a specific point in the past, a long, long time ago. It's completely in the past, so we have to use the past simple. It is possible to use the present perfect when talking about birth in other situations. For example, the baby has just been born. That's the present perfect. It's a recent birth. It has only just happened. The baby has been born. It's here now. The baby has finally been born. You can also use it in a negative sentence, like this. The baby hasn't been born yet. So the mum is still pregnant and the baby is not here yet. So we can use the present perfect in this situation. We can also use the present perfect in this situation. Hundreds of babies have been born in this hospital in the past 5 years. So here we've got the present perfect again. It's because we're talking about a period of time which started 5 years ago and it still continues today because the hospital is still open and babies are still born in that hospital. So it's not a finished period of time. It's not in the past. We're talking about the past and the present. So many babies have been born here in the last 5 years. But remember, when talking about your own birth, you need the past simple. I was born. Are you enjoying this lesson? If so, then you might be interested in my free English grammar booklet, in which I talk a lot about English tenses, English conditionals, and much more. And I really like to compare different tenses to each other to show you the difference. Because when you're speaking English, it's all about choosing the right tense, the past simple or the present perfect, and so on. So go to the link in the video description and get your free booklet from there. The second mistake, it rained all the day. That's incorrect. This is slightly confusing because in some languages, like French and Spanish, we use an article in this structure. So we say toute la journée or todo el día to say all day. But in English, there is no article there. So it's just all day. It rained all day. It means the entire day. But we can have all the in other situations. For example, we invited all the neighbors to the party. So we invited everyone who lives near us, all of our neighbors. We invited all the neighbors. We can also use the with the word whole, the whole day. So the whole day was taken up by activities, but we were busy all day. So these two structures are slightly different. All day, there is no article, no the. The whole day, there is an article, the whole day. It's the same with week, month, and year. So we just say all week. It was raining all week. all month and all year. But we can say the whole. So the whole week, the whole month, the whole year. The whole week was really busy. The whole month was miserable. The whole year was amazing. You can also use the word entire. So the entire day, the entire week, or the entire month. It just means the whole. So they are the same. The whole week, the entire week, and the word entire is perhaps slightly more formal, but you can say all the time. So in this phrase, we have an article. We have the, all the time. I am tired all the time. I work all the time. And the final mistake is an interesting one. Look at this sentence. I didn't know you lived here. What does it mean? It means that you still live here. So this sentence is about the present. You live here. But I didn't know you lived here. So the verb is in the past tense because I said I didn't know. I didn't know something, but now I do. But because the first part, I didn't know, is in the past, we need to change live to lived to talk about the present. It's confusing. So I didn't know you lived here. So this is grammatically correct, but in reality, many native speakers break this rule and they just say, I didn't know you live here. This is everyday language. I didn't know you live here. And sometimes textbook rules are broken. People speak in new ways and language evolves. Some people will disagree, but I'm not going to call it a mistake. If you think about your own language, I'm sure that you don't always speak correctly, and there are lots of grammatical rules that you break in your own language, and that's how language changes and evolves. So, something to be aware of. I hope you found this video useful. Let me know in the comments if you learned anything new. And don't forget to download your free English grammar booklet from the video description. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!